Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to give an update to the Bars Leaks block seal permanent head gasket fix that we used on our 2002 Chrysler 300M about a year ago. And we decided to use this on our car because our car had a massive leak and we had to get it towed, and we brought it to an auto mechanic shop and they quoted us around $2,000 to repair the head gasket. And that wasn't an option for us, so we looked for an alternative method and we came across the Bars Leaks block seal permanent head gasket fix. Okay, so I'm about to open the lid to on our car, this is called the coolant bottle, but another name would be like coolant reservoir. But let's go over some safety before we do. Make sure that you have on the proper safety equipment before you do this and take all safety precautions. And also never try to open this when the vehicle is hot. You need to make sure that the vehicle is cooled all the way down. If you try to open this when the vehicle is hot, this will explode all over the place and is incredibly dangerous. And this is really important, guys. Do not open the lid to your radiator or coolant reservoir or overflow tank while your vehicle is hot. If you do, it will explode all over the place and is incredibly dangerous. Make sure that your vehicle is all the way cooled down. Okay guys, so when you do take off the lid, you want to take it off slowly, and our car is cooled all the way down, so I'm going to take the lid off right now. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see down in there, but we definitely have lost some coolant. It's pretty low in there, so I do need to add some new coolant. This is where we park the car, and there are some spots on the ground, so something's leaking, but I haven't noticed any major leaks. And here is underneath the car. Alright guys, it's still kind of hard to see in there, but I did fill this back up with antifreeze. Okay, so I filled the coolant up to the cold fill max line there, and it didn't take too much coolant. And here's the mileage currently, and when I did the first video, I had the mileage written down at 178,883. Alright guys, I'm going to put the coolant lid back into place, and when you do this, you want to make sure that you put the coolant lid on the correct way and make sure that it's all the way secured into place. Alright guys, so here's my opinion of the Bars Leaks block seal permanent head gasket fix. Although we did lose some coolant, it was a lot less than what it was leaking originally, and it's been drivable for almost a year since we added the head gasket fix. And we probably drive this car once a week on average, and we don't drive it a lot of miles. But for us, the head gasket fix did exactly what we needed it to do, which was to make this car drivable. And how well this works, or whether or not it works at all, will depend on a lot of different factors, but in our case, it did what we needed it to do. And I'll link the original video where I used the head gasket fix and reviewed it at the end of this video. And if you're interested and have time, please check that video out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.